Hi, we want to talk to you about the Revolut card. So Matt, what is the Revolut card?
Yeah, so the Revolut card, it's a free card that you can get just on the Revolut app. And
so if you just go on Google Play or on your Apple device, just go on there. It's app only bank, effectively. It's free to download, free to sign up, so there's no cost to it, and we do recommend you use it.
the reason why we recommend that you use it is because they give you the best exchange rate possible. So when you're paying your bills, especially with easync, it's an American company, so the conversion from pounds to dollars, it can add up as the months go on.
That is in, for example, if you're paying in dollars all the time and you're using, they want you to use either PayPal, which are the worst for exchange rate, really bad, or your bank. And again, your bank's not going to give you a great rate because they're going to take a little bit of commission as effect. So they're giving you a worse exchange rate. So the pound to the dollar.
Which is why we recommend that you use Revolut.
Yeah.
As time goes on as well and your stores grow and you're earning a lot of money, your easync bill will be higher. And that is when we recommend that you upgrade to Revolut Metal. It's a metal plan. It's pretty cool because you get a metal debit card. Yeah, just saying.
It is cool. Do a noise test. Oh, it's here, isn't it?
Yeah.
This is a very cool card, though.
But
very cool card.
So that's just a fun little toy. Anyway, but the reason that look into them as well, because you also then get cash back on your expenditure.
Yeah.
So I believe it's 1% as well, and that means you just make a little bit of extra money. It's just a nice bit of pocket money.
It pays for that fee, but this is when your bills are big enough. But bear in mind, when your bills are big, it's because you're doing well. So there is
Yeah, definitely.
One goes hand in hand. But the main thing, just so you know, is the reason why we got Revolut card is because the superior exchange rate. So then you're not overpaying because your bank or with PayPal making you overpay. So the exchange rate that you'll see, say on Google, if you put $1 to £1, that's exchange that you get on the Revolut card. That's why we recommend it.
Cool. See you in the next video, guys.